talking like that. It's hurting my throat. But yeah, I don't normally post videos of me playing Beast Swarm, but yeah, I like Beast Swarm Simulator, and it's fun. So that's why I'm playing today. Yeah. Like I said earlier, I am trying to do a quest to make the honey mask, and I will show you guys that in just a second. As soon as I fly over to it. I don't remember what it is. Where is it? I don't remember. Oh wait, no, I remember what it is. It's over there. Over here. So we're gonna get it. Over here. Come in this way. And it should be this one. Do that right here. That guy. This one. Yeah, see? I'm gonna get the honey mask. And, yeah, as you can see, I don't have anything that is required for it at the moment. But we're gonna make some enzymes. Make 4 enzymes. But I'm gonna wait until I have the right amount so that I can just make them all at once. And I also need oil. Yeah, I need oil. And I need more sunflower seeds for that also. I only have 95. So that's gonna be a problem. I only have 95 sunflower seeds, which is gonna be a problem because I need a lot. And this is gonna be a bit of a hassle to get. But obviously, I'm not gonna be able to do all of the video. I just wanted to show you guys that I like playing Beast Swarm Simulator, and if there's anybody out there who wants to be my friend and is really good at Beast Swarm Simulator, preferably, and is not a noob and knows has good high levels in their bees, hit up my Discord. I'll put it in the link. I'll put it in the comments or whatever the description, so you could talk to me and play games and so you can play with it. But yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. This is me and my bees saying goodbye.